sweet little cookies. So let's talk about something very serious which we really need to discuss.
Like, really, we need to discuss this.
Before I did not got time, and I thought that this period, mid of April or like last week of April to the May time, is the best time to discuss this with my pretty girlies. So people, today we're gonna talk about the 10th boards, and after our 10th what we really need to do, like taking right decisions, जो मैंने तो कभी लिया नहीं, but thinking that I could guide in a better way. Let's proceed further if I could be a good guider or not. So seems like non-guiding person is guiding someone. Tragedy, right? So let's go back to those time when I was giving my 10th paper, and my last paper was, I guess, Hindi or biology. Second last was biology, because I remember I had shooted the video, which was my first YouTube video. So yeah, second last paper was biology, and after that this thing triggered my mind too, that what should I take. Like, I was so much in dilemma ki, because I was pretty sure that kuch bhi ho jaye, I would not coming back to the school, man. Seriously, something to be discussed, that I have decided at that time that whatever I'll do, whatever, but I'll surely not come back to SJC, because it's not that I feel going out of this place or something like that. No, not at all. It's just been 10 years there, so you really want to try something new, a change of environment. So yeah, that was pretty sure. Although before I was thinking to take arts as a subject, because I want to do, like, I want to proceed with basically foreign language areas. Seems like doing honors in German language or something that way. But then what I realized after doing lots of research, कि मैं ये सब चीज़ काफ़ी easily कर सकती हूँ through Duolingo or various other apps, which will really help me. So at that time I was in a confusion what to take, but definitely not science. So I basically went through arts. There were many schools. So if you're not aware, then I live in Patna. So here girls के school बहुत कम रहते हैं. There are 2 to 3 schools only. Like Carmel is there, St. Joseph Convent is there, Notre Dame is there, and in which Notre Dame is the only one which is CBSE board school, and Carmel and this SJC, they both are ICSE. So yeah, it is said that arts faculty of SJC is way better than anywhere else, but still I was not pretty sure that I'll go here. While that time my parents were literally triggering me, तुम्हें तो अगर arts लेना है, you need to go back there. I was like doing all sorts of stuff. No papa, मैंने नहीं जाना. I will surely not go. कुछ भी हो जाए, doing all creating stories. कुछ हुआ नहीं है स्कूल में, but literally creating stories. ऐसे होते हैं, वैसे होते हैं, environment ये blah 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 blah. Like pro in that. So yeah, so I was doing this way, and then it's like, और ऐसे भी जाना नहीं था मुझे, because their teachers mischiefs, there are lots of things. Because if you're a student and if you're known for your mischiefs, then definitely you would be known forever. And still, if I go to my school, like old school, there are teachers coming to me and like, oh Kriti, you're here, where are you right now? So yeah, that's definitely, that sweet gesture comes out, but kahin na kahin वो पार्ट तो सबको याद रहता है. So short gossip time has been gone. Let's talk about something serious. तो I was in a confusion कि मेरे को क्या लेना है, but मेरा श्योर था कि मैं आर्ट्स लूँगी. So here is like, my papa is a kind of astrologer but not astrologer, so he had just worked all through his charts and all, everything ऐसे बृहस्पति है, and what they say Jupiter and all stuffs are like that, you can do good in this and that. And I was like, okay fine. He consulted to one of my uncle, and then finally they came to a conclusion that I should proceed with commerce. And then what I did is, like, I filled up the form in St. Karen school. Then I was thinking that to give the entrance paper, and I still remember मैंने Notre Dame का भी form भरा था. There was one of my friend Vaishnavi. She thought that we won't be able to get into Notre Dame because ICSE का जो paper था वो हो चुका था, and we were late to that. So we basically entered through the CBSE entrance test, which was conducted at Notre Dame Academy. So yeah, we entered through that. And then Loyola, maybe we filled up the form, but we are not pretty much happier with the environment there, so we refused to go for the entrance test there. Next, heading towards the Carmel. So that was not in our bucket list because it is a ICSE school. So in future we need to prepare for this particular entrance test for universities called CUET. So that is definitely not possible through ICSE or syllabus. That's why we thought choose an easier path to our like future. And then मेरे पापा को मनाने में मैं successful हो गई. And then it's like he understood all the pros and cons about CBSE and ICSE, and he finally agreed to this. But then for the B plan, what I was having is this Litra Valley School. Oh, I forgot to tell you all. We have even filled up the form at Michael's, and then it's like, yeah, I went to this Litra Valley School, and then I've taken, yeah, ये सब कुछ हो गया और उसके बाद then I was like fully researching about this plan B कि अगर नहीं हुआ तो क्या. So because I was not confirmed कि मेरा हो जाएगा या not something like that. So I was like going and researching about और क्या schools, and definitely I was not that type of child who will sit at home and prepare for 2 years for the board exam and like attending non-attending classes and going through non-attending schools and dummy schools and like simply going to give the papers and practicals through money and those all stuff. I'm not that type of person. So I basically want कि 11th 12th year मेरा ongoing process जाए. So I along with my mother went to Litra Valley, and then we consulted over there. I still remember there was a guy at the reception and he advised us everything. We talked about the fees and all everything, and yeah, the environment was pretty cool. School was also cozy type, definitely not like SJC. SJC have a huge campus area and lots of you can say we have lots of privilege over there, and because we are only girls and this is a boys and girls type school, so yeah, definitely switching from one environment to another मेरे लिए तो कोई problematic नहीं था, but for my parents this is quite not considerable, but my father is alright to this because changes are required. So yeah, ये सब हो गया. Even you will not believe, let me tell you all, मैंने ले लिया था उधर से क्या बोलते हैं उसको फॉर्म एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग. वी हैव इवन फिल्ड अप एंड गेव इट देयर, एंड सेकंड डे आई हैव टू गो फॉर जस्ट अ शॉर्ट इंटरव्यू टाइप एंड देन वी नीड टू परचेज बुक्स एंड ऑल. तब तक में मैंने एंट्रेंस दे दिया था. कुछ ऐसा नोटिस नहीं आया कि कब आएगा रिजल्ट एंड ऑल, बट देन सडनली ऑन संडे आई कम टू नो दैट रिजल्ट इज़ आउट. You won't believe, you really won't believe. I was so panicking. I was thinking that क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. And I still remember I was at my nanny's house and I just sat in front of Kanaji with my iPad and I just searched everything over there on Siri basically, because I just went to this particular website called Notre Dame official website, and then I opened the website, went to the admission PDF of 2024 to 25, and I don't know if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I'm not wrong. So in that, I got my admission number, and you wouldn't believe my happiness was at peak, like literally at peak, because getting on, definitely now I know the reality of my school. No, I didn't mean that I'm bitching of my own school. No, not at all. NDA is one of the best school, renowned school of Patna, definitely. And touch wood, I hope it will be in future too. But it's like, at that time I was very happy because now I need not to go to Litra Valley School, which is comparatively at a lower side compared to the studies and the discipline of Notre Dame Academy. And so it's like I even called my friend Vaishnavi and I just talked to her that is your name there or something like that, and she said me that yes, we are together going to the school, and like wow, that was something very good to me. Then like we went for the admission and all everything, and yeah, one thing one of my friend did to his form is like मेरा उन्होंने भरा था ICSE, लिखा था उसमें like we get option form में ICSE या CBSE, and वैष्णवी का उन्होंने लिख दिया था CBSE. So she was quite worried कि percentage में CBSE में लेंगे कि नहीं लेंगे, because CBSE में they find above 90 to 95, I think so at that time. But now when I'm a Damien, so I know that, let me tell you, 50s के above वालों की भी admission easily हो जाती है. Talking about a harsh reality, I'm very serious that yeah, ho jati hai. So let's what matters is your performance at entrance exam, or commerce is the only faculty, it's like a single section in our school, so you don't need to be worried कि आपका होगा कि नहीं. But yeah, competition comparatively बहुत मतलब ज़्यादा है, बिकॉज केवल एक सेक्शन है और बहुत लोग पेपर देते हैं, बट ICSE वालों को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस मिलता है थ्रू दैट बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. लेट मी ऑल्सो गाइड यू कि हमारे समय तक बोर्ड एग्जाम्स से भी लेते थे, बट नाउ दे हैव जस्ट चेंज्ड एंड दे आर लाइक टेकिंग थ्रू प्री बोर्ड्स एग्जामिनेशन टेस्ट, लाइक प्री बोर्ड्स के रिजल्ट से ले रहे हैं, जस्ट इन फियर टू लूज स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट लाइक कि स्टूडेंट्स नहीं आएंगे उनके स्कूल में, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो या this was it. This was my 10th grade time. Let me even proceed this part. Let me even tell you this. Ki I and Vaishnavi, we had just decided कि मैं Litra Valley ले लूँगी and she'll take Open Minds, because these were some of the schools जो like easily admission ले लेते थे without any merit and all. So we thought to go there, but then this is the particular school where I went, and let me share you the first day over there. There is a orientation program basically. So we went wearing kurta and all. So what happened on that day, basically there was a girl, I'll definitely not take her name, but we sat at Julie Hall. So in Notre Dame, the stage area is like basically called the Julie Hall. So वहाँ पे हमारा orientation था, and it's basically in which we were made aware of the faculty teachers who will be like teaching us for the coming whole year. So there was a girl sitting beside me. She's so annoying, bro. She's so annoying. She was in commerce. She's not right now. So yeah, she was so annoying. She really told me that where are you from? Like, कौन से school से? I was like, I'm from S. Tracy and so on. Then she just asked me, oh, you're from S. Tracy. There are many girls who took admission from S. Tracy to Notre Dame. Why? Like, S. Tracy is not a good school or so? I was like, no, not at all. It's not that S. Tracy is not a good school, but everyone needs a change. So yeah, definitely, and everybody have a different reasons for their, like getting transferred to another school or something like that. So one could not judge that way. And even she said me this thing, यहाँ तो बस like standard logo ka chalta hai, and all. I was like, seriously, man? And you won't believe, she's the only one demeaned in our class. Like, she was the only one who get I'll not definitely say publicly, but but definitely my classmates, if you all are watching this, you'll know I'm talking about whom. And Bhumi especially, she will come to know that I'm talking about too. So we'll definitely not bore you much, but let me tell you all, whichever stream you'll take, no matter it's science, arts or commerce or anything, अगर मज़ा आ रहा है, मन है, you want to explore yourself, you want to explore, go for it. And nothing is made in the world which can question your potentiality. So definitely all the best for your 10th, and carry on with a positive smile like me. Take care till the time. We'll meet very soon, surely. And what I have taken in class 11 is still a mystery for you all. So till the time, bye.